Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. These yams were so sweet, tender, and buttery. I can't wait for you to try it. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So today we're going to be making candied sweet potatoes. I've already cut up my sweet potatoes. The potatoes have been washed and peeled. I cut the yams into 1/2-inch circles. We're going to add the first layer to the casserole dish. Y'all know I love and make a lot of sweet potato recipes. You might call it sweet potatoes, or you may call them yams, but really there's no difference. This is what you're going to need to make a sweet, buttery sauce that caramelizes these babies to perfection. Next, we're going to add the sugar. It's regular granulated sugar. Then add some brown sugar. For the brown sugar, you can either use light brown sugar or dark brown sugar. Either is fine. We're going to put a couple of tablespoons of slightly melted butter. You want to use real butter because the candied mixture might not come together perfectly if you use anything else. We're going to add some cinnamon. Nutmeg. You can also use clove and ginger to taste. So now we're going to add the next layer of sweet potatoes. Gonna add more sugar. Brown sugar. Cinnamon. Nutmeg. I'm going to add a tablespoon of vanilla extract. Don't use the imitation vanilla extract. You want a real vanilla extract. Layer more butter on top. And to balance out the sweetness, we're going to add a pinch of salt. We're going to cover it up with aluminum foil. And because the yams makes its own water, we're going to punch little holes into the aluminum foil to let the steam out. We're going to let that cook for about an hour and a half and bake at 350 degrees. After the first hour, the yams won't be done yet, but now it's time to baste them with the candied mixture. Use a spoon to stir the yams and spread that caramelized goodness all over the yams. And put it back in the oven for another 20 minutes. Let the candied yams sit before serving. This would let the glaze thicken slightly, making it the perfect glaze.